You ready?
Yeah,
all right.
I'm always ready.
Hello everyone, it's May 16th, 2023. Ron Jr. here with Landover Trail Boss Gary Jr. Gary Jr., what's happening?
Looks like the trails are going to open tomorrow.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
You like Bruce now?
Yeah.
By the time you watch this video, though, they'll probably be open.
What do you have for us on the fundraising front?
Yeah, we got some good fundraising. So I think Ron is going to attach the JPEGs of these in his video. So we have the shotgun rifle 4-wheel drive raffle this year. First place, the 2023 Can-Am Commander. And that's the Realtree. I think it's Realtree.
That's the one.
It's a camo edition. I'm not sure if it's Realtree or exactly what it is, but it's pretty sweet. Comes with a roof, a winch, power steering, machine rims. $21,599.
It's a nice haul.
Second prize is a Henry Golden Boy, God Bless America edition. It's kind of rare, I would say, so it's kind of a collector. It's a very nice gun. 22 long rifle. And then the third prize is a ATI 12 gauge over under. Really nice shotgun. We're going to be selling them tickets at our sponsors all year long. Hopefully some events are out and about. So if you do want these tickets, though, just get a hold of us. We'll get you hooked up. And then we actually had ticket printing sponsors on these. So Eagle River Copy Center, Bucktail, Buckatobin Lodge and Lighthouse Pub, Burnt Bridge Tavern, Bowers Dam Resort, Brews Pub, Phelps Convenience Center, and Bent's Camp. So thank them if you're in and you support the club for helping us out on some printing. This raffle is $20 a ticket, and we'll be giving it away November 4th.
Awesome. Awesome. What else you got for us?
We have our coupon book backed by popular demand. To be honest, I think there's well over $2,000. We didn't change that, but we have a lot of really, really good coupons. Typically 1 to 2 coupons will pay for the whole book. The book's $20. We'll be selling these throughout the whole year. Most coupons, except for 2 in the book, are good till May 15th of 2024. So get these while they last. I mean, we're going to have them out at most places. Again, if you want to get a hold of these coupon books, just get a hold of one of us or another member and we'll get you the coupon book. But they're at most sponsors, again.
And those are what, 20?
They're 20 bucks a piece as well.
So unlike everything else, we did not go up with inflation, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I mean, we kind of tried to stay at a fair price for what we're offering, so $20 is very fair for that book. And we really thank our sponsors for giving us those great deals, because it's pretty awesome.
Yes, sir. All right, what else? This is new. This is new for this year.
This is new this year. Our Secretary Treasurer worked really hard to get this bingo license set up. So thank Colleen. It's great. And this bingo is going to be held at Buckatobin Lodge, their brand new clubhouse. And they are one of our sponsors, and they actually bought the bingo machine out of their own pocket, so we didn't have to buy it. So that's a pretty big cost, you know. So the bingo is going to be over there. Yeah, so thank you for that. This bingo is going to be every Sunday, June 4th through Labor Day weekend. Doors open at 5. Bingo starts at 6:30. No carry-ins, but there'll be snacks and ice cream and drinks available for purchase there. And come win some cash.
That's right.
Like, we're playing for money here. So this is this is going to be awesome. So
yeah. What else you got?
I mean, right now I think that's it. The new map just came out, and that is being, the maps, the tickets, and the coupon books are being distributed kind of as we speak right now. So they're being brought out to all the sponsors, and I really want to thank our distribution group. We have a really good group of people helping. I also want to thank the people that have helped us in the past on that, because it's always been a very tough job. These guys volunteer their time, guys and gals. They volunteer their time and their fuel to go out sometimes once a week or multiple times a week to these sponsors. And there's over 96 stops that we stop at.
Okay, yeah, so let me think here. Merch, we've still got a little bit.
Yeah, we got a little bit of merchandise. If you're interested, let us know.
Yep, and then as always, we'd love to have you become a member of the club. So, yeah, any other notes? Welcome to the 2023 season.
Yeah, 2023 season. So, just remember all the rules. The rules are on the maps. Please drive safe. I put it in a post the other day, treat everybody with respect. Respect the landowners, respect the trail, respect the highway, you know, respect the business sponsors, respect their parking lots. Let's not do 360s in their parking lots and break out windows at businesses. That doesn't look good on us as well. Just, I guess the key word is respect.
Respect and some restraint.
Yeah.
It goes a long way.
Yep.
So, all right, Junior, well.
We hope to do some more videos.
Yeah.
We get so busy out on the trail, we don't get time to do this.
A lot of work.
So.
Yeah. So anyway, all right. We'll see you later, friends. Hope to see you out there.